Today, I want to show you how to make your very own cream of anything soup mix. You will not want to miss this one. So I say cream of anything soup because you can literally make any variety of cream soup, whether it's cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, cream of celery. It is a dry mix that you can keep in your pantry, and then whenever you need a cream soup, you can just whip it up real quick. It is super easy to make and very delicious. I'm excited to share this recipe with you, so hang with me today because you know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. So you will need 4 cups of a dry milk powder. Then you will need 1.5 cups of cornstarch. And then you will need 1/2 cup of chicken bouillon powder. And you could also use beef or vegetable bouillon. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then just mix this all together. So now let me show you how easy it is to make this soup. All you need is 1 cup of chicken broth. And again, you could use beef or vegetable broth. And then just add 1/3 cup of your soup mix. All right, so turn on the heat to medium-low heat. And we're just going to cook this until it starts to thicken. So I'm going to make cream of chicken today. And I just have a small can, a 5-ounce can of chicken. But you could use rotisserie chicken. If you have leftover chicken, shred it, put it in there. You could also make cream of mushroom, just taking canned mushrooms and cutting them into small pieces. Cream of celery. If you do make cream of celery, you would want to cook your celery like in a skillet, saute it maybe in some butter or olive oil until it's tender, and then add it to your soup mix. And basically add in 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of your favorite ingredient. And there you have it, delicious cream of chicken soup. All right, so I'm just going to put my mix in a mason jar. And this will last in your pantry for 3 to 6 months, and it is also a great gift idea. So I have let the soup cool down, and as you can see, it has thickened, and it has the consistency of what you would expect a canned cream soup. Now I want to show you how to make a quick and easy meal for 1 or 2 using the cream of chicken soup. So I have here about 8 ounces of cooked extra wide Amish egg noodles, and I'm just pouring in the soup. And then I'm adding a small can of peas and carrots. I'm just going to stir this all together. I've turned on the heat just so that everything will get nice and hot. Oh my goodness, this is such an easy, quick, and delicious meal. I hope that you give this one a try. Okay, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing how to make the delicious cream of anything soup. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.